If you want to take care of your battery in Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, first of all, you will need to open settings on your smartphone device. Next step is to look for the battery section. Click on it and then look for battery protection. Here, if you click on that as well, there will be plenty of settings that help you preserve your overall battery life. And you can go for a basic plan, which when your battery is charged to 100%, charging will stop until the battery level drops down to 95%, and then charging will start again. So if you're, for example, charging your phone overnight and it will, let's say, charge to 100% in around an hour or two, then it won't be plugged into charging all of the time. Only when it drops down to 95%, it will automatically toggle back charging, so your battery won't get damaged like that. Then there's the maximum plan, and your battery will stop charging when it reaches a certain amount of battery percentage. If you want the best performance for your battery, go for 80%, and that way your phone will only charge to 80% but preserve your battery life. You can also go for 85, 90 or 95 as well. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.